Well, judging by the thumbnail, you probably see we're mounting a light bar on here. Haven't decided if I'm putting it up here or down below here or even lower. I don't know, above the winch or something like that. But I guess we'll figure that out. I have to run to the hardware store to go pick up some wire and some connectors so I can mount it. Pulled the quad in the garage here, and then I figured out I didn't have any, so ran to go pick that up, and we'll get this mounted. I apologize in advance. The Grizzly is completely filthy. It's full of dirt. I usually don't wash it because I take it out and get muddy anyways. So here's the light bar. Basically just a single row LED, but it has the yellow tint on there. That just makes it so when we're in the water at night that we don't get the glare off the water, and if I'm riding at night, I don't get glare off of like puddles and stuff like that. I'm not sure how I'm gonna mount it. It doesn't look like it'll work there. I know I'll have to drill holes, and I don't really care about drilling holes. So I don't know if I can mount it there, or I might end up having to put it below. The only thing I was worried about if I put it below, that if water gets in the light bar, but I think we'll be okay. So we'll figure that out. That's the next step. So I didn't really want to take the snorkels off to wire it to the battery, but look how much freaking dust is in there, guys. So we'll have to clean those up before we put them back on, but holy smokes. This is how to drill blind holes. You can't fit a drill in, you do underneath. Hint to where we're putting the light bar as well. Oh, get it nice and hot. Very nice. Why does it smell like singed hair in here? Why does it smell like burnt jacket? Hey? Why does it smell like burnt?
My goddamn jacket.
Oh, she's gonna look good in there. Tightening the bolt, made a blood blister on my hand, and this freaking guy laughs at me. Holy smokes, that freaking hurt. Oh man. Okay, so the light bar's in. Currently mounting the switch. The light bar looks freaking sweet. I'm not going to show you till we get everything mounted up here, so then it looks a little better when the snorkels and everything are up, so stay tuned. Alright, this may look a little bit of a mess, but we're going to get this cleaned up, and then we're going to get the snorkels back on, and then she should be freaking ready to rock. Alright guys, so we jammed in the grill. Looks freaking rocker. Just gonna flick the switch here. I temporarily got this switch just mounted underneath here for now, but it definitely looks unreal. Right in the grill, or where the hood scoop, I guess, is on the front there. So I'm stoked. It looks freaking unreal. You can't even see it if it's off, so it's kind of a hideaway light. Can't wait to test it out. It definitely is pretty bright. It's not as bright as the factory ones, but I mean, the point of it is just to keep the glare off the water when I'm in the water and I'm wheeling and stuff. So it looks pretty freaking wild, I think, and can't wait to try it out. I'm gonna throw a quick edit in here. Make sure you check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share the video. It helps me out. Thanks.